During a time of famine, Isaac stays in Gerar as God commands, promising him the same covenant blessings given to Abraham. Fearing for his life, Isaac calls Rebekah his sister, but King Abimelech discovers the truth and protects them. God blesses Isaac richly. His crops yield 100-fold and his wealth grows, stirring envy among the Philistines. They stop up the wells of his father Abraham and drive him away. Isaac reopens the wells and patiently moves from place to place until he finds peace at Rehoboth, saying, "The Lord has made room for us." That night, God reassures Isaac of his presence and promises to multiply his descendants. Later, Abimelech seeks a peace treaty, acknowledging that God is with Isaac. The chapter closes with the note that Esau's marriages to Hittite women bring grief to Isaac and Rebekah.